Hi, well welcome back to the third and final video of this series. I just wonder how you're getting on. I'd really like to know if you can maybe send me an email. Is it easy? Is it not easy? Today I'm just going to go straight in. We are going to do the fun stuff, which is the cluster chords, the colour, all of those gorgeous chords that you can use to enhance your voice in the harmony. Initially, what we did last time was we did the C, didn't we? And then we did the A minor and the F and the G. Okay, now we're going to turn it on its head. Instead of doing the C, we're going to use this finger here and we're going to go down here. So I call these a cluster chords and they just sound gorgeous. Have a quick listen to this. So, I found love for me, darling, just dive right. Can you hear that? Yeah. We are then going to do just the normal bass. So literally, we've got a cluster. We're going to do this all the way through the first part. So let's try it with the voice. I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Okay, great. Now, do you remember the C that we had? One, so we had the first finger, the second finger, and the fourth finger. So C, E, and G. We're going to take this top G and we're going to move it down here. Okay, like this. Yeah? Then it's going to go, I found a girl. And then we're going to take this fourth finger off. So we've just got a G4 now. Beautiful and sweet. So again, we've got that lovely clashing sound. You've got the G and you've got the E. And then we're going to move again to the normal bass, but we're going to keep the right hand. And then what you might want to do is go to the B, so we resolve it, and then we're into the G. So I'm going to do that for you one more time. Okay, and then you're going to do Now what this does is it allows the melody to kind of come through. What I would also advise is if you use your pedal. Now, for those of you that don't know what a pedal does, a pedal just makes it slightly mushy, so it just blends it. It's a little bit like airbrushing. Girls, you'll appreciate this. Have a listen without. It's a bit clunkier. Can you hear it stop straight away? What you want to use the pedal as, like I always say to my students, it's like breathing. So 1, 2, 3, and breathe. 1, 2, take your foot off. Take your foot off. Take your foot off. So you're kind of doing spurts of pedal. Now we've done that, but what about if you're doing your arpeggios? Well, I would do exactly the same thing, but I would do arpeggio. So I would basically hold your chord like this, but you're going to do. There you have it. Hopefully you can play the whole song now because it's all the way through. I hope you've really enjoyed this video series. I've got lots more videos on YouTube that are coming up, or if they're not already up already. Have a lovely day and I will be sending you emails with some tips and tricks. All right, take care and good luck. Let me know how it goes. See you later. Bye. Bye.